Okay, cool. So, I'll talk about it. Q, you're so upset. Okay. This is Imperfect Foods. I'm really excited. It's my first unboxing, and it's my first time getting it. And this is basically just grocery stores getting rid of food because it's not pretty enough to sell on their shelves. And so it's mostly produce, but you can get tons of different items. I don't even remember what I signed up for. So here we go. We are gonna do it. And the only reason I'm recording this is because when I posted about it, people were curious. And so, okay, why not? Ooh. So the idea behind this is that it decreases, let's throw that away, decreases waste, which is awesome. But it's also really inexpensive and it brings food to the table. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So right here is information on like storing food, what can go on the counter. Right now you're hearing dogs panting in the background and children freaking out and roommates being wild. Anyway. So this is like what can go on the counter. You can put basil in a jar in water. You can put your tomatoes on the counter, apples, avocados. You can put garlic in your pantry. So it's just like super cool. So what I have here is like, why are these even, I got these at super cheap prices. I don't even know why they're considered imperfect. Look at that. These look gorgeous. They were so cheap. I wish I could tell you the prices. I don't remember. I can look it up and maybe, I don't know, put the details somewhere. But like, what? This is crazy. I think these might have been the organic blueberries. Look at these blueberries. They were so cheap. They're so pretty. Oh, look at. So this is a grapefruit that got smushed, but it's actually not squishy at all. It's very firm. It is not technically bruised. It was probably just sitting amongst other grapefruits, chilling. Oh my gosh, here, you can go right above and actually look. I signed up for some quinoa. And a lot of this too is like if the expiration date, and it's like a lot of discount stores, if the expiration date is close within like a few months, some grocery stores don't want it on their shelves. So they also sell it that way. But yeah, this is crazy. And blue cheese crumbles, because I love blue cheese crumbles. So I'm getting the thumbs up from Chelsea. Chelsea, turn it around to yourself and say hi.
Hello. I'm the camera holder.
Perfect.
Here you go.
Here is a wonky looking kiwi that looks delicious and kind of funny. This is so fun.
It's so great.
This is so much produce that I would not have even spent money on, honestly. Oh, here's
That's
okay.
a really nice onion.
Something else. Isn't that a nice onion? Look at this. This is trout. Look at that. They do like trimmings. So if there's extra trimmings that don't fit into other packaging. So, I mean, this is bananas. I mean, well, there aren't any bananas. I'm sorry. This is crazy. Yeah, this is just such a good idea.
I'd say it's worth it.
It's absolutely worth it. And
Oh, it's cute.
it's got a friend. I'm so excited right now. Like this just makes sense. I am excited to do this multiple times a month. So, thumbs up. Thank you, Imperfect Foods. I love it.